Good morning everyone. Today we will do aptitude test chapter 27, that is data analysis. Now students, in this chapter first we analyze the data which is given to us and then we will give answer of the questions. Now see what is the question. The following table tell us about the number of Indian and foreign tourists who visited Lansdowne, a hill station 2004-7. Fill in the boxes as directed. We have to fill here. We have to give the answer. Now students, year is given to you. Here is 2004, 5, 6, 7. Different years are given to you. And number of Indian tourists. Now into 2004, number of Indian tourists who visited that hill station, that is 5,000. And number of foreign tourists who visited in that year, that is 2004, that is 1,000. Now total. First we will see horizontal, then we will see vertical. Now horizontal we will just add them because here it is written total, so we will add them. 5,000 plus 1,000, that is 6,000. Then 8,000 plus 4,000, that is 12,000. Simply we will add them horizontally. Then again 15,000 and 13,000, we will add them. 28,000. Then 14,000 plus 15,000, 19,000. Simply we will add them. Now they are saying we will add vertically. We will add vertically. We will add them and we will see what we will get in these boxes. Now first here we will add them 3 zeros as such. Then 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 8 15. 15 plus 5 22. 1 3 4 40,000. Then again we will add them 0 as such, 3 0. 10. 10 plus 5 15. 1 25,000. Then we will add them. Again 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 9. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So we add them horizontal also and vertical also. Now we have to give the answer of this question. I have written 3 questions, 2 more is there that you will be do yourself. Now first question, total number of Indian tourists who visited the hill station during the 2004 and 7. Now we have to tell number of Indian tourists. Here is number of Indian tourists who visited the hill station during 2004 and 7. Now number of Indian tourists. What is the total number of Indian tourists? That is 40,000 in 2004 to 2007. It means all. It means all, that is 40,000. So answer is here 40,000. Why 40,000? Because they are saying during 2004 and 7. It means add them. Next, total number of foreign tourists who visited the hill station during 2004 to 7. It means number of foreign tourists, that is 25,000. So here answer is 25,000. Now next, ratio. We have to find ratio. Total number of Indian tourists. Total number of Indian is, this one is total. This one is our total of Indian. Then to the total of foreign tourists who visited 2004 to 7. It means we have to find the ratio of 40,000 and 25,000. See students, 40,000 ratio 25,000. When we find ratio, it means you can write in fraction. This 3 0 will be cancelled out. What is left? 40 or 25? Now on the table of 5. So answer will come out to be 8 ratio 5. So third answer is 8 ratio 5. This is 3 question I have done. The rest 2 you will be do yours. Now we will do chapter 4, ranking of aptitude test book. Ranking means we have to tell the rank, what is the position, whether it's from starting point, whether it's from last end point. Now in first question, a goods train has 25 wagons attached to the engine. A wagon loaded with perishable items is 13 from the engine. Total items are 25. What is the position from the guard cabin? Students, remember, whenever the question comes from the ranking, the simple formula is total numbers. If total numbers are given to you, total numbers minus, if the number is given to you from the starting point, then you will minus starting position, then plus 1. This is the main method. You will use that method in each question, then you will get the answer directly. Now see, total numbers are 25 and they are saying that item is 13 from the engine. It means starting position 25 minus 13 and plus 1. Plus 1, why I am adding plus 1? Whenever we count from the starting point or the end point, the main position center we always leave. That is why we add 1, that for the particular that position which is given to you in this, that is 13. Now 25 minus 13 plus 1, when you will solve it, 12, you will solve it 12 plus 1, 13. Now answer is our 13th position. From the guard position, it is 13. Now see the second question. At a ticket counter, 35 people are standing in a row. 35 people are standing in a row. Mohit is 15 from the ticket counter. Let it be. Here is position from the starting is 15. We have to tell what is his position from the end. We have to tell from the end. Simply we will put in this, total is 35 and what is from the starting is minus 15 plus 1. When you will solve it, you will get 21. So answer is C, 21st. So here chapter 4 is finished. Today we will do till here. Till then, bye.